Hi friends! You want to see my new shape today? Here it is. What do you think about this one? What do you notice about this shape? Yes, it does have a curved surface. It also has a point. How many flat sides does it have? One. So how many faces do you think this shape is going to have? One, because the flat surface is the face. Now it looks like this shape has a vertex, right? Because it's got a point. But remember, the vertex is where the edges meet. If this was an edge, it would need to be meeting another edge up here, right? No meeting edges. Only one face, so there's no edges, because edges are where the faces meet. There's no two faces touching, so there's no edge. There's only one face and no vertex. This does not count as a vertex, even though it looks like one. Let's go find out more about this unusual looking shape. So today in math, we will identify three-dimensional shapes. We will label the attributes of a cone and circle examples of cones. It is important to be able to identify different shapes. Let's review our vocabulary. Say attributes. A quality, feature, trait, or characteristic of someone or something. 3D solids. Say 3D solids. 3D solids are shapes that are not flat. Face. Say face. A face is a flat surface of a solid object. The flat surface. Edge. Say edge. An edge is a line segment where two faces meet. How many faces are there? One. So are there any edges? No. Vertices. Vertices are the points where the edges meet. Sphere. Say sphere. A sphere is a round, solid figure. Cube. Say cube. A cube is a solid shape with 6 square faces. Rectangular prism. Say rectangular prism. It is a solid shape with 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. A cube is a special rectangular prism. Cone. Say cone. A cone is a solid figure with 1 circular face. It has 1 point and a curved surface. These are examples of a cone. Today you're going to use the pen tool to label the attributes of a cone, then circle the cones in the picture. Remember how many faces a cone has? Yep. How many edges and how many vertices? If you're not sure, go back and watch the beginning of the video. Remember, the edges have to be touching 2 faces, and the vertice is where the edges meet. Since there's no edges and no vertices, there's only 1 face. And then don't forget to circle the cones that you see over there in that picture. What did you learn today? Attributes, 3D solids, face, edge, vertices, sphere, cube, rectangular prism, and today we talked about a cone. When you are finished, there is a short 3D shape video for you to watch, followed by your 10 minutes of extra math and your 10 minutes of iStation. Have a great day, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.